Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Take Afro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to show you how to add Hydra Bot to Discord server. So first you have to go to your Safari and then search Hydra Bot invite, and then the first one, Hydra.bot, tap on this and now tap invite. Now log into your Discord and then select a server. Now tap continue and authorize it, and then confirm. After the verification, just simply go to your Discord server and you will see that HydraBot is added to your server. So this is how you can add HydraBot to server. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.